Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change subtitle language easily Netflix application in computer. So how to change subtitle language easily Netflix application in computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Netflix application on your computer. Now this is on the initial Netflix display. Here it is already on the initial display of the Netflix application. Let's just run the film first. Here search a film. I will run this film. Now here I am already in the film that I am running. Now you can see here the subtitle in this film. Using English. For example, we want to change the language of the subtitles while watching a movie. Move the cursor down the movie screen. Now here there are several icon options. Tap the icon that I marked with an arrow. Now the subtitle menu will appear. Here there are many language options that you can choose to change the subtitle language. As an example, I will choose Arabic. Well, you can see here, the subtitle language that originally used English now uses Arabic according to what I changed earlier. So that's it, the tutorial how to change subtitle language easily Netflix application in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.